Today's video is about two remote job opportunities where you can work from home. The first job is for digital marketing specialist, and this is a work from home opportunity. And here you will be getting on the job training, that is paid training. So if you have a bachelor's degree or you have done a marketing or business related courses, you could be a good fit for this position. The company has asked for some experience, so 1 to 2 years of experience in the field of social media marketing or digital marketing will work here. So here you will be working as a digital marketing specialist. You will be uploading videos and graphics, etc. And you will be helping the company promoting everything digitally through social media platforms or through other online platforms. The second job is for content writer. This is also a work from home remote opportunity. And here you're not required to have any kind of particular experience. So if you have a bachelor's degree in any field, or if you have done any marketing or business related courses, you could be a good fit for this position. And also, if you have some kind of experience in content writing or copywriting kind of roles, you could be a good fit for this position, or you could be a preferred candidate for this position. Here also, as a content writer, you will be getting paid training from the company. And both these jobs are 100% remote work from home opportunities. These are work from home opportunities. And here you will be having holidays, overtime pay. Here you will be working at US work hours. So for people who are residing in India, this is going to be a night shift role. Now let's start with the first job. So the company's name is Wing Assistant, and the company is hiring for digital marketing specialist role. Wing Assistant mainly hire for different remote job positions. And here in the role of digital marketing position, if we talk about the roles and responsibilities, so as a digital marketing specialist, you will be developing, executing, and monitoring the execution of marketing campaigns on various digital platforms. So be it like social media platforms or any other like website or other digital platforms. You will be uploading different videos and other marketing tools. You will be uploading videos and graphics. You will be managing the contact database and assist with lead generation activities. And also, as a digital marketing specialist, you will be ensuring consistency of branding across all accounts and channels. Here you will be taking care of the company's accounts, be it on social media or be it on any other website or any other channel. So you will be taking care of all the digital content. You will be creating events or promos to increase customer engagement. You will be researching influencers and compatible products and businesses to form strategic partnerships. You will be setting up accounts, liaise with affiliates, and manage affiliate partners' payouts. Also, you will be gathering information on the brand's audience profiles and develop a content strategy with internal teams. You will be checking KPIs, that is key performance indicators, and you will be modifying bids and budgets and review keyword performance. Also, you will be researching on trends, so that what is going on the market, and what is working and what not. What are the promotional activities utilized by other competitors, other brands, and competitive marketing insights. You will be creating progress reports and monitoring the performance and effectiveness of marketing campaigns as well. Also, you will be executing SEO strategies and conducting keyword research, conducting general administration tasks. So here, basically, you will be working as a, you will be working as a digital marketing specialist for the company and handling all the digital part of the company's marketing. Now, if we talk about the qualifications, the company has mentioned here. So, if you will be a preferred candidate if you have some bachelor's degree in the field of marketing, or if you have done any business or marketing related courses or certifications. Also, if you have some experience in the field of social media marketing or digital marketing, you could be a good fit. Otherwise, also, if you are a fresher but if you have strong knowledge and understanding of digital media and digital marketing and social media platforms, etc., you could be a preferred candidate in this category, in this job role. Also, here you should be your communication skills should be strong. You should have working knowledge of content management system, and proven content writing or copywriting experience is preferable here. Also, you should have knowledge in layouts, typography, print, and web design. You should also have some experience of working in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Sketch, InDesign, and other graphic design softwares. Here you will be working at US work hours, 20 to 40 hours per week, and this is a remote work from home opportunity. So here, if you are from India, this could be a night shift role for you. And here, if we talk about the benefits, the company has not disclosed the salary here, but yes, here the company has mentioned that you will be getting on-the-job training, you will be having performance incentives, you will be having performance incentives, upskilling opportunities, and you will be having holiday and overtime pay. So if we talk about the technical requirements, here the company has mentioned that you should have USB headset with noise cancellation feature, working webcam, main and backup computer with 1.8 gigahertz processor with at least 4 GB RAM. Main internet service speed should be 25 Mbps, whereas for backup internet connection, 10 Mbps will work. So if you are interested in digital marketing role, here you can apply for the role. The second job role is also for content writing, and here this is also a remote work from home opportunity. So this is 100% remote and 100% work from home opportunity. And if you have some experience in the field of content writing or you are a fresher, you can apply for this job. If we talk about the roles and responsibilities here, as a content writer, you will be writing content for blogs, articles, website pages, social media posts, email newsletters, ads, brochures, everything. So you will be basically working as a content writer and writing different category of contents for the company. You will be moderating conversation in social media groups. You will be uploading written content and managing publishing schedules. You will be gathering information about trends, industry related topics in articles, interviews, and videos. So here you will be basically understanding the trend, what is the trend, what is going on in the market.
Here you will be coordinating with designers for illustrations and the marketing team to develop content. And you will be developing a content strategy to improve ranking scores and analyze promotion activities used by competitors. So basically you will be analyzing competitors' content, and accordingly you will be creating strategies, and also you will be uploading written content and manage publishing schedules. You will be developing a schedule. You will be required to develop a schedule sequence to publish content on all platforms and all kind of promotional activities. You will be moderating conversations in social media groups, and you will be creating email sequences and send personalized pitches and conducting general administration. So as a content writer, you will be taking care of companies content policies, companies and you will be scheduling content everywhere. You will be writing content, uploading them over blogs, articles, or website pages. So if you already have some kind of experience in content writing or copywriting kind of role, you will be a preferred candidate in this job. Here, for qualification, the company is asking for someone to have a bachelor's degree in any field, or it would be preferred if you have some certifications or courses in marketing or business related fields. You should have excellent communication skills, and both written as well as verbal. Your proven content writing or copywriting experience will be preferred. You need to have knowledge in layouts, typography, print, and web design. You should have experience with like graphic design software, for example, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Sketch, InDesign, and other graphic design software. Also, you should have a work portfolio, and so that you can showcase your work, your previous work, and creative projects. Like as a content writer, it is required that you have the knowledge of content management system. Now, if we talk about the technical requirements here, you should have a USB headset with noise cancellation feature and a working webcam, and your main and backup computer should be at least 1.8 gigahertz processor with 4 GB RAM. For main internet, the speed should be at least 25 Mbps, whereas for backup 10 Mbps speed should work. The working hours will be US working hours, and you will be working 100% remotely. Also, if we talk about the benefits, here you will be getting on the job training. So it will be a paid training, and you will be having performance incentives, bonuses, and you should have a supportive team. and opportunities for career growth, and you will be having holiday and overtime pay. So if you work overtime, you will be paid accordingly, and job security and stability will be there. So that's it. So if you wish to apply for the job, here is the application link. You can apply for the job. So both the jobs as a digital marketing specialist and a content writer, these are remote jobs, and if you wish to apply for the job, you can fill up the application form and provide all the details. And in terms of cover letter, you have to frame your cover letter as per the role you're applying for, and then submit the application form. So once your application gets shortlisted, once your application gets shortlisted, you will be prompt for a further interview process. And so go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.